Yeah, you are being fed for free. All right, you eat in the dining hall, in the same dining hall with your professors. You are welcome to this interesting video, and today I will be sharing with you another opportunity in Brazil. This school is in southeastern part of Brazil, and it's currently accepting students. But when I came across this particular link, only a few courses are available: engineering and economics. So actually the application fee is about 50 reals, and I think that's around 10,000 naira. All right, and the school is good, so you can imagine you studying in a school. You are being fed for free. All right, you eat in the dining hall, in the same dining hall with your professors. You know, I love the humility and the kindness of these people. Okay, so this is the dining hall, just showing you that this school is good. It's a very beautiful school, and it will be a privilege to actually study here. So I will take you to I will be sharing my screen with you, where I will show you how to apply, though I won't be detailed because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, all right, so let me share my screen with you and let's do it. I will be dropping the link to this school in the comment section, so ensure to check it out. So when you open on the link, it will bring you here. Okay, this video will be short, so these are the available programs, and you can see the date. Anywhere you see the green color, that shows the green color indicates that the programs are open, accepting application. Okay, so you can see the courses: production engineering, electrical engineering, economics. Okay, economic is also opened, and if you are in this field, this is a very good time for you to apply. Okay, so you click on this arrow, then it will open up for you. When you get here, you open this file you are seeing here. Okay, so when you open it, will bring you here, so you can download the PDF, the call notice, by clicking this call notice here. And it's very important you read it before you do anything about this application, because the instruction about the application is actually given in the call notice. Okay, so let's go down to, this is where you're going to be providing your document, your details and document below. Okay, so if you don't have CPF, don't panic. All right, so all you need to do is to click on this I am a foreigner and I don't have CPF. Okay, so you click on it, and when you do that, this is the form for you. Now don't bother about the CPF anymore. CPF is the tax identity number in Brazil. So you provide all your documents, or your detail rather, here, fill it correctly. Your passport number will be given, all right, during this process here. All right, so make sure you fill everything correctly. Do not make any mistake. By the time you are done filling all this, providing all these details, you're going to be uploading your documents. All right, now before you upload this document, I've told you, ensure to read the PDF, all right, which is the call notice, because that's very, very important. Okay, so this is where you're going to be uploading the documents. Again, I will warn you, do not upload any document here until you've read the call notice. Okay, so it will be a very great thing to be admitted into this wonderful school and come and study in Brazil and plan your life. All right, so I will be ending this video now. If you have any question after watching, you can drop in the comment section. I will get back to you. So I wish you success. And for those of you that do not see your course here, do not worry. As soon as I get any good school, I will share with you. Subscribe to my channel and see you in another video. Ciao.